What is up, guys? It's Scott with Never Hedge back for another MMAT update. Looks like we just broke through that $3.50 wall. Looks like it pretty quickly got rejected down to $3.53 right now. RSI is almost getting into that overbought territory, so just keep an eye on that. Something to watch out for as the day progresses. I don't think we're going to see too much in the overbought category. We did get up there into the 80s, 82 to start the day, and then we're kind of hovering in that 48 to 52 range here. Nice and strong upward trend. We may be looking at the start of a nice little reversal here, but still too early to tell. Another green day tomorrow would be very much appreciated. It's nice to have two in a row, though, and we'll take what we can get with this one. MACDs have started looking very bullish the last couple of days. Love to see that, and trading above those 50 EMA lines for most of the last couple of days. Great to see there. To 354. Excellent. Pop over to Fintel. Take a look at the short interest because there's some pretty crazy stuff going on with this today. So the days to cover, it keeps climbing up there. It was, I believe, 145, 1.45 yesterday. Now we're up to 1.56. Short interest percentage of the float still creeping up there, and look what we got here. Only 1,000 shares available to float, so they are maxed out right now. 6 hours ago, so pretty much I believe right around market open, we were at 0, so totally maxed out, and 300-400 now up to 1,000 shares available to short. The borrow fee rate is still creeping back up. I think we were as low as like 0.95 maybe a week or two ago, so it's up 300 almost percent from that. So that's definitely something to be on the lookout for. Let's hop on over to Ortex here. And utilization up from yesterday. First thing that jumps out at me, why wouldn't it be up when there's no shares available to short? Look at that, keeps climbing up here. I would imagine that the short interest is closely tracking this utilization, so I'm sure the short interest is up, right around 16.5 million. Let's take a look what we got for volume here. So still pretty early in the day, not even 2 o'clock yet, and we're already at 8.82 million shares traded. So it's going to be a pretty high volume day today from the looks of it so far. Ooh, heading over to the naked short report. Look what we have here. Short volume for yesterday was 3.292 million in volume, and the percentage though has gone down a little bit, which is good. Probably why we saw such a meteoric rise yesterday. Love seeing that. And let's take a look at the options chain. we don't have any options going off this week, but in a couple weeks we got the September 17th options here, and right now $3 calls are looking good. I would even say 4 to maybe big time maybe $5 calls could hit by September 17th if things keep going the way they are. If the shorts start closing out their positions, time will tell though. But right now they're looking a whole heck of a lot better than they were on August 20th, as we have, this looks like a much more manageable spread of in the money calls at 64.01 to out of the money 17.510. And then the puts are not looking so hot right now. I mean, we got 892 in the money and 53.32 out of the money right now. So I'm liking this puts to calls ratio here. Let's take a look at the institutional buys. Let's see if we got any big ones going off today. So the only one that we have for today so far, this could still we could still have a couple more coming in later today. But we've got 13,227 shares picked up by Fidelity Small Cap Growth Index Fund. That's always great when an index fund wants your stock in their portfolio. They picked up just under 100K at 99,000. Let's go back over here. Let's see if we got the dark pool data for today. So far we do. So far we have 53.63% of that volume coming in through the dark pool today. 4.598 million shares out of 9.29. Ooh, we're flying right now, guys. It's up 4 cents since we started talking here. 358. Love seeing that. We could, I mean, this 350 mark here was a huge wall, so I mean, we could be well into the 360s by the end of the day if things keep going the way they are. I could even see maybe even 370 come power hour, but we'll see how things go. We'll keep an eye on this. Got some news to get to, but first we got a quick word from the sponsor, ETHBets.org. Join ETH Bets Sportsbook today and receive a 50% welcome bonus up to $500. And for all you crypto enthusiasts out there, they do accept all major cryptocurrencies as well as over 20 ERC and BSC based tokens. We talk a lot about Shiba Inu on this channel. They do accept Shiba, Doge, and SafeMoon, as well as a full list over here. And then the good news is if you don't see your favorite token on the list, you can email them and see if they will accept your preferred ERC or BSC based token. And then to set up an account, all you gotta do is fill out your email and your desired token for deposit. We got one bet going off today. They will set up your account before you actually deposit. So once your deposit clears, you'll be good to go. One bet I like today for baseball, I like the Yankees plus 130 over the Atlanta Braves. Charlie Morton is a very good pitcher, but I think as the game rolls on, the Yankees' superior bullpen will shine through. Let's just go small on this because it's a dog play. We're going to go 25 to win 32. Okay, this is from Hohugen.de. So we got some Germans that are interested in MMAT here. Stagnation means regression. Companies that act too slowly in competition and cannot adequately adapt to changed framework conditions lose. Innovations are a path to success. Some innovations are so big and profound that the technological leap has been achieved is causing a massive upheaval. Electricity and the internet are well-known examples. AI, 5G, robotics, and new materials have changed our reality. In just a few years, these stocks will benefit from the emergence of new solutions, products, and markets. From Karsten Maninitz, Metamaterials. Here we go. This Canadian stock is doing fascinating pioneering work for a new class of multifunctional materials, so-called metamaterials. Unique partners or structures of intelligent, highly functional materials interact with light and other forms of energy. Based on its extensive resources in relation to intellectual property, patents, and trademarks, Metamaterials is ideally positioned as a supplier enabler of many global companies. Only with solutions from the Canadians can these corporations offer innovative products in the areas of entertainment, electronics, 5G communication, health and wellness, aerospace, automotive, and renewable energies. Excellent. Love seeing that stuff. The company's sales are still manageable, as was recently shown in the half-yearly figures. It is characteristic of research-intensive high-tech companies in a relatively early phase that they are still in the red, given many innovative products, a well-filled pipeline, and the fact that the whole industry is only in its infancy. The stock is worth a look. The company, which is listed on the NASDAQ, currently has a market value of a good USD 800 million. Love seeing that kind of stuff here. And then Investor Place seems to be coming around on MMAT from a couple of hours ago. MMAT stock, the big science news lifting metamaterials higher today. So a lot of the stuff in here we've already covered in previous videos. Talk about their scientific advisory board and how the goals for the board are to assess new opportunities for mergers and acquisitions, blah, blah, blah. So it's really just nice to see Investor Place not writing hit pieces on MMAT like they have been a couple of weeks ago. 360, let's go. That is pretty much all I got for you today, guys. So as always, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more updates on MMAT as well as other stocks and tokens we like. And I thank you guys so much for watching this far, and I'll see you in the next video.